all, my name is Gideon, and today I'll be walking you through 3 best websites to make $5 and above every week. I want to show you the secret of how you can make $5 and above every week. Every week you can make up to this amount of money. Okay, what you're seeing is a write-up I have written about this same post. So I'm just going to walk you through what you need to do. The first website I'm going to be showing you is a website called Shorty. Shorty, this is a website. This is a website address. So for every link you shorten, you can see from here it is written shorten URL and get paid. For every URL you shorten, be it the link to your YouTube channel, the link to your Instagram post, the link to your Facebook post, or whatever link it is, once you shorten and you get users who reviews, for every 100 views you get $100. You get $10 for this website. For every 100 views you get $10. So all you just have to do is input the link you want to shorten here. Let's say for example you want to shorten my Facebook page. Let's take for example, I don't have a Facebook page. Let me just take this page for example. Let me just take this. Let me just say Devil May Cry. Let's assume this is a Facebook page and I hit the shorten URL. I get a shortened version of this URL, and each time I share this URL I can hit this copy button. You can see your link has been copied. Each time I share this URL, and for every user that click on this URL I get some amount of money to my account. So you can only see the amounts. I'm using a new account to show you this tutorial. You can see the amount I've earned from here. You can withdraw to your Bitcoin, to your PayPal account or whatever. But that's the first website. I don't have the intention of making this tutorial very long, so I just want to make it short. The second website I'm going to be showing you is this Linkvertise. Linkvertise is another website that allow you to shorten link and get paid for shorten link. Another bonus here is Linkvertise will not only shorten link for you and get you paid for every user that click on it. It also give you the opportunity of having more click, more views for every link you shared, because they are going to give you a kind of, okay, let's say for example I want to share a link. I want to share a link. Let me go by this. If I want to share the link to this YouTube tutorial I have here, let me just copy this link. All I have to do is hit this create, then type in my link. Once I have my link, I can decide to have it like this, or put my https / all this. And once I click on continue, okay, it asks me for what do I want to end my link. Maybe the link is for downloading something. Let's just say my YouTube channel, for example, YouTube channel. Okay, I'll hit the continue button. Then link heading. What do you want? This is going to be the link, this ID, then whatever you want to be. Let's say family, for example. When you select the continue button. Now, one of the benefits of Linkvertise is it helps you to show your link and whatever title you give to your link on search engine. Let's assume I'm putting it here, how to connect with your family for good communication. Let me just take for example this red line. Monitor how good your title is for search engine. Let me just, this is just a sample text for that. Then the link description, what would be here. So you can see, aside from shortening your link and getting paid, it also helps you to get your adverts available on Google search and some other search engine. I'm not doing this because I don't want to use this link for anything, so I'm just going to cancel this. So when you hit this button create link, it brings you to where you can create link, and you can share and all of that. This is your dashboard. You can come to the affiliate program. Whenever you refer someone with your affiliate link, it allows you to be able to earn some tokens also. Okay, you can get the link in my website. The third one I want to show you is I want to show you. Let me see from here. I can't really remember. I put up this article already. Okay, the third one I want to show you is Artstera. Artstera. This is Artstera. You can see this is Artstera. I've opened there. Okay, let me just come here and going to Artstera website. The registration is very simple. You can be an advertiser or as a publisher, you just need to register. And when you register, it also gives you the same opportunity to advertise your YouTube channel, your Facebook. You can even share your Facebook link and all of that. I can sign in. Let me sign in. I'm a publisher. Let me sign in. I don't think I can remember my because that just work automatically for me. You can see I never input any of my credentials and this just pop up because I created this yesterday just to showcase this tutorial. So from your dashboard you can add website. Now you can generate link, and what the most interesting part of this is if you're opening this for the first time, it's going to show you some walkthrough on how you can use this, so you don't have to rack your brain like how you can see between yesterday this has been approved for me to use. You can see, so I can use all of this. By the time you use these three websites to promote your YouTube video or Facebook or TikTok video or Instagram video, before you know it, you see that you're making tons of money every month while you are sitting in your room. So create a channel should not just be our YouTube tutorial should not just be your only source of income, especially if you're a beginner in YouTube vlogging, because it will take you a very long time before you can monetize your YouTube channel. But with these three steps I've highlighted, you can make money with your YouTube. Boom, just like that. So I hope you enjoy this. If you have any question, please drop down in my channel. I'm going to respond to every question you have. God bless you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I always wish to give you the best, and I always give you the best. Please encourage me by subscribing and liking my channel. God bless you. God bless you all. Bye. Bye.